let's say, since you said this is your fourth year,
Yes, sir.
it's like you're releasing songs all the time. Like maybe in a year you can release two or three or even more than.
Yeah, I think from 2017, from May to December, I released 5 new songs.
You've released five
Five,
songs.
yeah. Already, I have feelings. But I normally do what type of the feeling that I came to me.
Hmm.
So
You
I
just put it
just
into
put it
writing.
down. Yeah, because I don't judge song or write, so I just vibe to beats. Moment
Yeah,
I just
once
vibe
the
to
idea
it,
comes,
yeah,
you
I just
just
vibe. For now, anyone that is listening now, if you are very Maria or you have a friend, so I think the song is referring to you guys.
why not just dedicate it to all the ladies out
Oh,
there,
so
instead of, okay, what if not,
okay,
if there's nobody bearing Maria, there's no one bearing Maria, or maybe probably the person listening is not bearing Maria, you mean the song is not for the person?
no, it's for
All right, I think we just need to listen to a song by CJBOIZEE, and when we return,
I have to download because I want to look every day.
you want blue. I want this guy. So you want blue.
Yeah, I want blues. I
I
don't
beg,
have
if you blow, take out easy, make sure. Okay. All right. So, what message do you have for your fans and to your fellow artists?
Okay, for my fans, just keep supporting your boy, your favorite boys, the boy Z, and you can get my song in all platforms.
I know,
And
definitely. I
so,
know a fellow
to my
artist.
fellow artists, just believe in yourself, work
Mhm.
hard, trust yourself, and behave yourself. Respect who is.
I had. All right.
That's my message for you.
Thank you very much, CJBOIZEE, for being a part of the program. We learn from each other, Abby.
Sure.
All right. Thank you very much, CJBOIZEE, for being a part of the program. Looking forward to having you here some
My pain, ever since that you came my life. Oh girl, you make me feel good. I know you need me, but I need you more. Girl, like you deserve more than cash. If I could buy the world, then I will give to you.